Tracy, because you picked out one of our certified pre-owned vehicles, we're going to offer you 4 warranties that even our new car customers don't get. Okay? How cool is that?
That sounds great.
You'd like to know what they are, though, right? Let me ask you this. Have you ever come out from having been in a store of any type, or a bar, or restaurant, or church, and found that someone dinged or dented your vehicle?
Yes.
How'd that make you feel?
Angry.
What'd you do about it?
Nothing.
Not a thing. Did you look into even how much it would cost to fix?
No, because I don't want to pay for it.
Okay. You know what? You're like about 99.8% of the people on the planet. They get dings or dents. They hate it when it happens. It mars the looks of their vehicle, but they go on about their business. But Tracy, you end up paying for those dings and dents anyway. You know how?
How is that?
When you trade your vehicle, okay, or when you sell it outright, it doesn't matter. Whoever purchases your vehicle next, they are going to deduct from the value of your car the number of dings and dents you have, because they're going to have to be fixed. The smaller ones are like $50 or $60. The bigger ones are up to $150. But you'll be glad to know that we're going to fix an unlimited number of your dings and dents over the next 6 months. Doesn't matter how many you get. You let us know. Actually, you let the 1-800 number we're going to give you know, and we will fix an unlimited number. We'll give you 2 visits to the Paintless Dent Repair people. Here's what it means to you. It's going to keep money in your pocket because you're not going to have to pay for it. It's 0 deductible. It's going to keep your car better looking, and it's also going to increase your resale value. And by the way, Tracy, you can actually extend that coverage out to 5 years. One of our business managers will show you how to do that. Cool?
That sounds great.
Okay. That's Paintless Dent Repair. Now, if you're doing, yes, sir.
So, where are these? So, say someone gets a bunch of dents in their car. Is our Paintless Dent guy fixing them, or do you guys have someone we send the car to that fixes them?
We're always going to send the customer back to your store. You've got a Paintless Dent guy here.
So who's paying for that then? Where's the money coming from to pay for that? Say he's got 50 dents and it takes the guy all day. He spends all day fixing them. Where's that money?
Half of it will come out of your paycheck, and the other half we'll pay for it. Just kidding. Okay.
No, that's okay. There goes 500 to gross.
No,
You're
it's paid for by an insurance company. Okay, it's an insurance policy. Yeah. Okay. You don't have to worry about it. The dealership doesn't pay for it. Somebody else does. All right? And the way it works is they'll phone up and they'll say, hey, I got dings and dents, I bought my car at Sarah. And they'll say, okay, they will attempt to set an appointment for the customer to come back here because they want the customer to see the benefit coming from Sarah, not the insurance company. The insurance company is a ghost in the background, if you will. If the customer has moved out of the area, if the customer isn't in the area, we will send them to the nearest Paintless Dent Repair facility so they can get their vehicle fixed. Okay? All right.